A jolt and then you'll die.
To provide affordable but reliable camping and emergency preparedness cooking solutions. We designed this emergency cook kit to provide you and your loved ones with the assurance that you will have a way to cook food and boil water in any situation. The Quick Stove Cook Kit includes a custom stainless steel pot with a sturdy handle that locks the lid down for easy transportation. The lid can also be used as a cooking pan, eating plate, or flipped upside down while cooking to be used as a double boiler. When not in use, the pot holds the stove and 2 fuel discs for easy transportation as a self-contained kit. The cube stove weighs less than a pound and is made of durable steel, which makes the stove strong enough to support any size pot or pan you would like to use. The stove is optimized to burn the Quick Stove fuel discs, but easily burns other fuel sources like hexamine fuel tablets, sterno cans, wood, charcoal, and alcohol burners. When using the provided pot and fire starters, you can boil 4 cups of water in under 4 minutes. The fuel disc is made of cedar and wax and will burn for 25 to 35 minutes. The fuel disc is essential for emergency preparedness because it is waterproof and because it can be stored for years without going bad. We hope you never have to use this emergency cook kit, but in the event that you do, you will be prepared to cook food, boil water, and provide heat in any situation.
We are gosun, and we believe the sun can and will power the future. Solar power technology has become more popular and affordable than ever, but we're still burning fuel to cook. It's time to upgrade your kitchen with the gosun Fusion. More than a solar oven, the Fusion stands on its own as a complete cooking solution. It's portable, yet large enough to feed a family, and can even cook with the sun at night thanks to an integrated electric heating element that cooks using a fraction of the energy of other electric stoves. It uses about the same power as your computer, but cooks a full meal for 5 in under an hour. If you don't have sunshine, all it takes is the push of a button to activate the 150-watt heater. With the optional lithium-ion power bank, you can easily carry enough energy to cook a meal anytime, anywhere. With the solar PV upgrade, the electricity used to charge the power bank can be made from the sun, so you're cooking on sunshine day or night. Safe to touch, even when cooking above 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the gosun Fusion can bake, boil, or fry many dishes in as little as 20 minutes.
We heard your
Fancy a hot drink? Simply filling the side tank with water, in just minutes you can be enjoying a hot coffee. The sidearms are perfect for getting things dry. You can bake anything from pizza to breads and puddings. It's great for feeding small groups or large parties. You can grill, fry or sauté, or cook your Sunday roast. Another unique feature is to smoke all foods from meats to fish, or even use the rotisserie. The kids will love the sweet treats, like freshly toasted brioche. It's perfect whether you're camping, hunting, or at home in the garden, on a day out, or tailgating at the game. And even warm your soul with mulled wine on tap.
Introducing BioLite BaseCamp, complete cooking, grilling, and charging for groups.
Hi, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Alec.
We're the founders of BioLite and co-creators of our core technology found in the Camp Stove, Home Stove, and now in the BaseCamp Stove.
Here's how it works.
The BaseCamp converts heat from the fire into usable electricity via a thermoelectric generator housed within the orange power pack. This powers a fan that blows air back into the burn chamber for improved combustion. The surplus electricity is then sent to a USB port, allowing you to charge your devices. Over the past year, a brilliant team of engineers and designers have been working on this new product to deliver you a unique, fun, and most importantly, high-performance experience. Incorporating thoughtful feedback from our Camp Stove users, we've made a series of updates and improvements that we can't wait to get out to you. Here's what the team's been up to. We updated the power pack so that it generates 5 watts and stores power. We also built a smart dashboard that allows users to easily see how hot the fire is and how much electricity is being generated. We increased the size of the cooktop to accommodate larger groups. And we developed a dual-purpose cooking surface with a one-touch grill-to-boil lever, transforming the flame to meet different cooking needs at the flip of a switch. We added folding legs for adjustable cooking height and a bucket handle for easy portability. And we're including a flexible USB light to aid in nighttime or low-light conditions. It always helps to see what you're cooking. We can learn a lot from our users, in the outdoors and at home.